Hi guys, I'm Anshi Patel and currently I'm doing my internship at BJ Medical College, Ahmedabad. I took my step 1 on 25th of January 2022. I think it was the last date after which step 1 transition to pass-fail. So I started my preparation back in my 3rd year, but back then I wasn't confident enough to give the test. So it was in May 2021 when I decided to join MOKSH, and I think it was a good call. To start with academia, MOKSH has a great question bank, and I solved it before starting UWorld. So it kind of lays the foundation for UWorld and puts you into a zone where you can use UWorld more efficiently. So they also have a very extensive video library of live and recorded lectures. These lectures kind of help you build your concepts from very basic. So it is a very good resource for 1st and 2nd year students. I didn't watch all these lectures as I was way past that stage in my preparation, but I think it serves a good reference purpose. I of course watched the entire high yield series and must say it was a very effective way to revise everything that I had done so far in my preparation. And one thing I loved the most about MOKSH were the AMA sessions. They kind of assigned a mentor to each student who would help you at each stage in your preparation and kind of help you make the customized study plan according to your schedule, and most importantly keep you accountable for the same. So apart from the academics, I got to know the entire USMLE journey in a more organized manner, and everything you need to do for profile building and all the non-academic things you need to do alongside steps. So yes, they have a very helpful team, good technical support, and not to mention Chirag sir, who is always happy to help and guide you in your journey even after you have completed your steps.